Here's a quick update to show you how easily I get sidetracked when I got something to do just to tidy up a little bit. And then I find shit, and then it just escalates from there. So take a look at it.
Just taking a break after I painted the roof. You see it right there, past my feet. Just relaxing because my back hurts. I've been in the garage all day. And I emptied out 3 totes, consolidated a lot of stuff. So, and guess what I found? More kits. Oh my goodness. Well, this one's already completed. I think I just have one more building out of that one. These 3, I bought those probably about 30 years ago. and never put them together. I was too busy working. These 4 right here I got at Junction City, Kansas when we was up there, and I stuck them in the tote. These over here were in the train show. This one I got a long time ago, and this is another stick-built one. So Old Man Simon's Garage. That's going to be fun to put together. And then I got this from a hobby shop in Alabama. The guy sent it to me. I told him I was looking for sawmill stuff, and he found it for me and sent it to me for 75 bucks. That was about 7 years ago. And then here's 2 that I bought from Robert Sacco, and then these ones I picked up 10 bucks a piece at a train show. And then this is an old bridge, and these are just parts in here. It's an old kit that I had a long time ago, and it practically fell apart. And so let me show you what it is. It's an old factory. So one of these days I'll put it back together. And then other things that I found. Here's my Pico stuff. But a long time ago I bought profile ties from Campbell Scale Models, and here's the paperwork for it, how to set them out. And right there also. I don't know if they still sell them or not. But spent a lot of time in here just because I wanted to secure this down. I haven't secured it down yet. That's coming up. I got to get the screws. They're in a little thing over there. But I wanted to put all this lumber over here up on top over there, because it was down on the floor before. I just want to get it out of the way for right now. So, oh yeah, and then I put this over here, the tie mill. I had that up on the shelf up here, and here's all my reefers and some hoppers all stacked up on a couple of cabooses, and the old flex tractor I pulled off the old layout, and the rest of some plastic stuff up there.
I'm almost finished with Revelstoke. I got a little bit more done since I filmed that yesterday, but tonight I'll be doing a stream of painting, in that other place. So at 8 o'clock. So go check it out if you have the time. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun.